I'm Cam, and I'm the victim.
Hi, my name's Alan, and I'm the 911 caller.
I'm Andy, and I'm the helper.
I'm Jalal.
I need those.
Yo, what's good, bro? How you doing? I'm doing good, bro. Hey, what we working on today, bro? Piece of metal. A piece of metal? Yo, what you finna drill in it? I'm gonna drill a hole. A hole? In the metal. I like holes. Yeah. Alright, you ready? Hey, don't touch it. Where are your safety glasses? Where are your safety glasses? Oh, hey, they're right here, my bad. Psych, I don't got no. Let me see them. I don't got no. We don't need those, bro. We don't need those. Alright, I'm gonna catch you, bro. I'm gonna catch you. Yo, what's good? Hey, what's this? Hey, what button this do? This is the torch smash. Hey, what this do? Don't push. Yo, chill. Oh, got it. Hey, bro, look at this screen like kind of small. Yeah. Hey.
Nah, this is Torch Master
bro,
3000 right here.
You see that the A&M Miami game?
Yeah, bro, I seen that.
Crazy,
that was
bro.
Crazy.
When that
One of the
one
best
dude
games
did that
ever.
one thing,
Bro.
and then he did that other thing.
I can't believe they did that thing, bro. That thing was.
That thing was
fading,
crazy,
bro.
though.
Yeah, that thing was.
Hey, but hey, what's this?
I can't even.
Oh, what's this? Oh,
No,
hey, let's have fun with that. Have fun with that, though.
No,
I'm out. I'm out. This ain't no way, bro.
Bro, let's do that.
What's up, bro? What's up, man? How you doing? What you working on today? Working on this tournament, dude. Okay. Yeah, let me see you screw that up.
Not afraid to let go. Decide if you're ever gonna let me know.
Someone call 911. Someone call 911. Hello, 911. This is an emergency. Yes, my friend got something in his eye. Yes, he's bleeding right now. He needs help. The address is Cinco Ranch High School. Yes, he wasn't following safety protocol, and he got something in his eye, and he needs emergency help right now. Yes, Cinco Ranch High School.
Remember, always wear eye protection, because you never know when something like this might happen.
Yo,
What's good, bro?
dude, your safety goggles. Why aren't you
Oh,
wearing them?
these are overrated. low-key.
Bro, no, you
Mad
gotta
overrated.
have the safety goggles.
You know what, Jalal?
I'm right.
Facts, bro.
Like, dude,
Put these on.
Say you're working on these wood pieces, right? A scrap falls out, flies out, smacks you dead in the eye. You're not gonna see. You're gonna go blind at a young age, and we do not want that happening. We don't want to risk this healthy young man's future over a silly incident of not wearing safety glasses. Safety's number one in this shop. Remember that, Cam.
Thanks, Jalal.
No problem.
Love you, bro.
Love you too.
Remember, guys, accidental injuries.
Remember, guys, always wear your safety glasses or you will get injured.
You see these protective lenses on my eyes? He got 3 of them. Now I got 2 of them. Remember, eye safety is the most important thing in this shop. Every single machine here can cause permanent eye damage or life-threatening injuries. We don't want that happening, do we? We don't want that happening, exactly, which is why rule number 1 of Stop Safety rules: wear your glasses. And that's how you're gonna get protected from everything. Maybe not everything, but from a lot of the important stuff in this shop.